So far in this course, we have worked with two code editors. The first one is the developer console, which we have used very heavily, and we have done a lot of programming in our anonymous window here, and we have also created some classes within the developer console. The other code editor that we have used is the Salesforce setup, where we have created a Apex class directly from the setup, and we also get nice panel here to edit a particular class. For example, let me open this account controller and we can edit this class right here within the Salesforce setup itself. Now it's time that we try our hands on another code editor that we will be using very heavily going forward in this course, and that's called VS Code. And unlike Salesforce setup or developer console, the VS Code doesn't come inbuilt in a Salesforce org. You have to download it in your local machine, and from there you can start your development and push your changes to your Salesforce org. It's very easy to set up VS Code, and I'm going to walk you through all the steps that we need to perform in order to successfully download VS Code and install it and then make it work with your Salesforce org. So first of all, we need to download the Salesforce CLI, which is a command line tool available for Salesforce development or to manage Salesforce development. For that, just type in Salesforce CLI in Google and you will see this page called Salesforce CLI, and it comes from Salesforce developers. Just click on this page and you will be taken to a link where you can download the Salesforce CLI for your respective OS. I'm using a Mac machine, so I'm going to download the Mac OS version of Salesforce CLI, but you can download it for Windows and Ubuntu as well. So click on this download for Mac OS and the download will begin. I'm going to cancel the download for now as I already have it installed. So once the Salesforce CLI is downloaded, you need to install it. Just double click on the downloaded file and then you can go through the complete installation process. So this would be the first step in order to set up VS Code in your local machine. So once you install Salesforce CLI, now let's come back to our Google, and here we need to search for VS Code. And here you can go to the official website of VS Code, and from there you can download it for your respective operating system. Again, I'm going to download it for Mac, but you can download it for Windows and Linux as well. Or there are other options available as well, like Ubuntu, Red Hat and Fedora. So just download it for your operating system and then go through the installation process. Once VS Code installation completes, you can open VS Code and you would see a screen like this, which is a welcome screen. And this is the window, or this is the code editor where you will start your development work. So before we begin our development here, we need to download a few extensions from VS Code Extension Market. And these extensions can help us develop our application faster because they provide certain features like autocomplete, or they make it easy to deploy your code in your Salesforce org. So here just click on this extension icon, which is I guess the last on this left hand side panel, and here search for Salesforce extension pack. Click on this extension pack and you will see a install button here. Since I have already installed it, I am seeing a uninstall button, but in your case you will see an install button like this green button here, and you can install this Salesforce extension pack. Now this is the extension pack which has almost 7 extensions, and these all are provided by Salesforce. So just install this extension pack and restart your VS Code. In the next video, we'll go over the steps to set up your VS Code for your Salesforce org. How you can develop your applications here on your local system and then deploy them to your Salesforce org.